If you've been driving around lately, you're probably noticing more and more homes with metal roofs. And there's a reason for that. For a lot of homeowners, it comes down to wanting something they don't have to keep worrying about. Your roof takes a beating. Summer heat, heavy rains, strong winds, hail, storms. It's up there dealing with Carolina weather every single day. And when you start seeing missing shingles, leaks, or signs that your roof is reaching the end of its life, you have a decision to make. Do you replace it with the same thing, knowing you'll eventually have to make the same decision again? Or do you look for a longer-term option? That's where metal roofing comes in. You get durability, energy efficiency benefits, a huge selection of colors, and a roof that can completely change the look of your home. And at Gator Metal Roofing, our roofing system is backed by a lifetime warranty. And so, for a lot of homeowners, switching to metal isn't just about replacing an old roof. It's about hopefully never having to think about replacing it again. So, if your roof is getting up there in age, give Gator Metal Roofing a call for your free estimate. We'll show you your options and let you decide what makes sense for your home.